An applicant tracking system is a software application used by companies to manage the hiring process more efficiently. Its main function is to collect, organize, and filter job applications. With the increasing number of job seekers and online applications, ATS helps streamline the workflow by automating much of the recruitment process, saving time and reducing manual effort. One of the key uses of an ATS is to post job openings across multiple platforms with a single action. Employers can write one job description and distribute it to various job boards like Indeed, Glassdoor, and LinkedIn directly from the system. This expands the reach of job postings and ensures visibility among a larger pool of potential candidates. Once job seekers begin applying, the ATS collects and stores all the resumes in one centralized location. Instead of going through hundreds of emails or paper applications, recruiters can log into the ATS and view all candidates in an organized dashboard. This improves efficiency and ensures no application is accidentally overlooked. A powerful feature of most ATS platforms is the ability to parse resumes using keyword recognition. The system scans for specific terms, skills, or qualifications mentioned in the job description. For example, if a company is hiring a data analyst, the ATS might search for keywords like SQL, Excel, or data visualization. This allows the software to rank or filter applicants based on how well their resumes match the desired criteria. Beyond filtering, an ATS tracks each candidate's progress through the recruitment funnel, from initial application to final hiring. Recruiters can update statuses, send automated emails, and set reminders for follow-ups. This keeps the entire team informed and ensures candidates are engaged throughout the process. ATS platforms often integrate with other tools to send pre-employment assessments or schedule interviews. This allows recruiters to test a candidate's skills before moving forward. For instance, if hiring for a data analyst, the system might send a SQL test or a data interpretation task. Interview coordination is also simplified, reducing back-and-forth emails and delays. As an example, Bamboo HR is a popular HR software that includes a built-in applicant tracking system to help companies manage the entire hiring process. It allows recruiters and HR professionals to create job openings, post them online, and track applicants all in one place. For example, when a tech company wants to hire a data analyst, they can log into Bamboo HR, create a job listing with the required qualifications, and launch it directly to their careers page and integrated job boards. Once the job is live, Bamboo HR collects applications submitted through those job boards or the company's career portal. It stores all candidate profiles in a centralized dashboard where recruiters can see resumes, cover letters, and contact details at a glance. For instance, if 50 candidates apply for the data analyst role, the recruiter can quickly scroll through them, filter based on education or skills like SQL and Excel, and flag promising profiles. Bamboo HR also offers customizable application forms and questionnaires. Employers can add specific screening questions such as, how many years of experience do you have in data visualization? Or which data tools are you most familiar with? These responses help narrow down the pool of applicants even before looking at their resumes. This is especially useful in roles that require niche technical expertise, like a data analyst with experience in Python or Power BI. As resumes are submitted, Bamboo R's ATS feature enables recruiters to collaborate easily with hiring managers by adding comments, assigning ratings, and tagging team members. For example, the HR manager might tag the lead data scientist to review a candidate's resume and give feedback, keeping all discussions centralized and reducing the need for back-and-forth emails. When it's time to move a candidate forward, Bamboo HR allows recruiters to schedule interviews directly from the platform. They can select available time slots, send out calendar invites, and even include video interview links. In the case of a data analyst interview, the hiring team might coordinate a two-stage process, first a technical round, then a behavioral interview, both scheduled and tracked within Bamboo HR. Bamboo HR also integrates with assessment tools to send test assignments automatically. For example, after a data analyst candidate passes the initial resume screen, Bamboo HR can trigger a skills test, perhaps a short data cleaning task, or a dashboard creation challenge. The results are uploaded into the candidate's profile for easy review by the hiring team.